my personal record is 6 years under review.
Yeah.
And this is something you can see. You can look at the discrepancy between the date of the preprint that I posted and the actual publication.
Wow.
And I had multiple cases where it took 2 years and more. And 4 years, I had another 4 years. I know what was the most painful. Sometimes it's partly my fault because it takes me years to do the revisions, and the student meanwhile leaves for a postdoc or something else, and then I have to replace this person, and it's a big challenge. But it's also the actual reviews that you get. I mean, if you're an experienced PI, you've seen everything, although it never ceases to surprise me, the process, really. But if you're a student, the first time you're getting peer review, sometimes the quality could be very bad, or the reviewers can be borderline abusive.
Mm-hmm.
They have huge power because they are anonymous. People don't realize that.
Yes, that was going to be my next point.
Right. The reviewers are anonymous, so they can hide behind the anonymity. And because of this situation of limited resources, people can sometimes behave very badly. Again, not everyone. Some people are saints and great, but you cannot count on that. And I think most of us would admit that we suffer.
Yeah, there's this meme that pops up often on X and on your account is reviewer number 2, right? Anonymous reviewer number 2. Do you think that the review process should be anonymous, remain anonymous?
It's a big question. I mean, in many cases now, this is something relatively new. You can say who you are after the process is over.
Right.
You can sign your review. But you'd notice, and this is not surprising, that people only sign when they give good reviews, pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
And of course, there could be retaliation. If you give someone, if you know, it would leak who gave the review, it could be catastrophe for them. And because we are as scientists, and this is the problem, we are super fragile. We depend constantly on the reviews by others.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, in your field, there would only be a few people, your paper will be circling around, and your grants, and any enemy you make is a real problem.